Hello my dear little ones. Today we are going to learn Elocution, my poetry book, first term sounds. Okay my dear kids, in the alphabet there are 5 vowel letters. Now let's learn what are these vowel letters. A, E, I, O, U. Say with me. A, E, I, O, U. How many vowel letters are there? Yes, there are 5 vowel letters. So let's say again what are those vowel letters? A, E, I, O, U. Well done. In this lesson, we are going to learn about our first 2 vowels that are relevant to the first term. So, today we are going to learn about short vowel sounds of A and E. Let's move on to our next slide. A sounds. What is the sound of A? A. Say with me again. A. You can see 2 pictures on this slide. Okay, under the picture I have given the letters. So, listen to me first, then you have to say after me. K, at, cat. K, at, cat. Now say with me. K, at, cat. So you will hear a sound of A. K, at, cat. Okay, the next picture. B, at, bat. B, at, bat. Now say with me. B, at, bat. Okay, the next 2 pictures. F, at, fat. F, at, fat. One more time. F, at, fat. Next one. H, at, hat. H, at, hat. Okay, the next 2 pictures. First one. M, at, mat. M, at, mat. Say with me. M, at, mat. The next picture. P, at, pat. P, at, pat. Say with me now. P, at, pat. R, at, rat. R, at, rat. R, at, rat. The next picture. S, at, sat. S, at, sat. Say with me. S, at, sat. Okay kids, Now we are going to move for the E sounds, and let's see what is the sound given by E. So the sound given by E is A. Say with me, A. Once again, A. So you can see two pictures. Number 1, B, ed, bed. B, ed, bed. Say with me, B, ed, bed. Next one, F, ed, fed. F, ed, fed. One more time, F, ed, fed. L, ed, led. L, ed, led. Say with me, L, ed, led. Next picture, R, ed, red. R, ed, red. Once again, R, ed, red. Let's look at our next two pictures. T, ed, Ted. T, ed, Ted. With me, T, ed, Ted. And the next picture, V, ed, ved. V, ed, ved. Say with me, V, ed, ved. Okay, here we have a collection of pictures that we learned before, and A sounds pictures are there. Okay, shall we revise the pictures and their sounds? Okay, the first one, say after teacher. K, at, cat. K, at, cat. Show me where is the cat. Can you show me where is the cat? Point out and tell me where is the cat. Yes, very good. K, at, cat. Next one. B, at, bat. B, at, bat. Where is the bat? Can you show me? Yes, that's the bat. So say the sound. B, at, bat. Very good. Next one. F, at, fat. F, at, fat. There is a fat woman. Can you show me where is the fat woman? Yes. So the next one. S, at, sat. S, at, sat. Can you see a boy with a chair? So he sat down. Sat, sat down, sat. R, at, rat. R, at, rat. Where is the rat? Yes, that is a rat. Say the sound. R, at, rat. What is the sound? A. Next picture. M, at, mat. M, at, mat. What is the color of the mat? Yes, it's orange color. Can you show me where is the mat? Yes, very good. So let's move on to the next picture. Her at hat. Her at hat. Do you like hats? Okay, the next. Per at pat. Per at pat. Can you see the Mickey Mouse is patting the dog? He is touching the head of the dog very gently. So that's what we call pat. Okay, let's move on to our next sounds of E. Okay, can you remember these pictures we learned before? So here, E sounds. What is the sound given by E? A. Okay, let's go to the pictures. Ed, bed. Ed, bed. Can you show me where is the bed? Yes, and the next picture. Ed, fed. Ed, fed. What is fed? Can you see a baby? The baby is fed by mother. Ed, fed. Next one. Ed, led. Ed, led. Can you see the picture of lead? Can you see a group of people there who are standing on an arrow? So there's a person in the first place. So he is leading others. So others are following him. So that's what we called here led. Next, ed, wed. Ed, wed. Have you heard the word before wedding? So somewhat same, wed. So you can see here a bridegroom and a bride. So here that's what we called wed. Next picture. Ed, ted. Ed, ted. Do you like teddy bears? I also like teddy bears. So that's what we call ted. Last one. Ed, red. Ed, red. Can you show me where is the red color? Yes, you can see a red color circle here. Say again. Ed, red. Very good. Okay, my dear kids, that's the end of our lesson today. You can refer and learn the words and their sounds and the pictures also. And after that, you can refer to our last 2 slides which we learn at the last. And then you can name the pictures with their sounds alone. Okay, then study well and stay safe until we meet with our next session. Okay, dear students, goodbye. Have a nice day.